dear students, today I am going to discuss institutional and technological reforms made in the field of agriculture, better known as Green Revolution. Green Revolution was brought in late 60s to improve agricultural productivity. The father of the Indian Green Revolution is Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, DG and DG of ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research, New Delhi. But the father of the Green Revolution of the world was Dr. Norman Borlaug. The Green Revolution has turned the tables in food grains production in India. Before, India was a food deficient country, India was a begging bowl, and so the government of India in the 60s started several measures to increase agricultural productivity. First, institutional reforms, land reforms. The government of India abolished Zamindari and Jagidari system in all its forms to correct land tenure system. Surplus lands from the landlords were given to the landless. Sealing Act was enacted to correct land tenure system in India, but its implementation is slow and tardy. The second thing, consolidation of land holding, Chakbandi. Due to laws of inheritance, Indian lands are getting fragmented day by day and becoming uneconomical, and so Chakbandi or land consolidation step was taken by the government to improve agricultural productivity. Third, minimum support price, MSP. The government announces minimum support price for food grains even before its sowing season in order to encourage farmers to grow more food grains and to save them from the middlemen, traders and speculators. Kisan Credit Card. Kisan Credit Card is given to the farmers to procure loans. Besides this, crop insurance facilities are also being provided to the farmers. Next, credit. Rural banks and cooperative societies were set up in the rural areas to provide soft loan to the farmers at low interest rates. These are important institutional reforms. Now, the technological reforms made in the field of agriculture. Provision of irrigation. Multipurpose dams were constructed across the river to provide irrigation facilities to the farmland. Despite this, most of our farmland is still dependent upon summer monsoon rainfall, which is whimsical or uncertain. Next, provision of HYV seeds, pesticides, insecticides, chemicals, etc. to the farmers at subsidized rates to encourage farmers to improve agricultural productivity. Next, activity. Thank you.